And speaking of weird, I have a brand new update on the flashing light phenomena that's sweeping the earth. 542 now here in the United States, approaching 1,400 different videos sent in globally. This is absolutely unbelievable. These first videos were sent in by Brandon out of Ottawa, Ontario on the left, Greenwood, Indiana, Jeremy on the right. Two separate locations, the light poles doing the same exact thing. Okay, check this out. This has gone to a whole new level. Video here sent in by Luann Neal out of Idaho from May 18th of 2025. They pulled into Home Depot. Notice this truck sitting here, and there was nobody in it. The person was inside the store. But the headlights and turn signals on the truck were malfunctioning, flashing. Are you serious? I mean, this is getting really weird, and the news media won't touch it, not a peep. They talked about the Shreveport incident, but that was just because there was a storm in the area. This is going on all over the world. And another example of flashing headlights by Stephanie G. out of Rockford, Illinois. Video from May 15th of 2025. Check it out. Both headlights on that car flickering, and the driver was probably not aware of it. Example number 4. This is occurring, guys, all around the world. Richard M. out of St. George, Utah. Notice the light there off in the distance, flashing for unknown reasons, and that normally doesn't flash like that. That's another classic example of this rogue and random phenomena. Next video out of Michigan City, Indiana, sent in by Tom from May 16th of 2025. Guys, this isn't slowing down any. If anything, it's increasing. I've noticed an increase in observations. Videos are coming in every single day. You got this light right here in the front, and then lights back here in the back. Malfunctioning for unknown reasons. There was at least 4, maybe 5 there that were flickering. Going to Boise, Idaho, Steve and Jolene noticed several lights off in the distance. We saw the pickup truck in Idaho with the flashing headlights and turn signals. Now there's light poles in the parking lot here all over the place, an absolutely huge parking lot, and they noticed several lights. There's one there way off in the distance. I mean, there's nothing normal about this. There's another one there. Light poles, there's another one there. Flashing all over the place. Next example is out of Ontario, Canada. Video footage sent in by Sinjas from May of 2025. They were in a restaurant when they noticed multiple lights malfunctioning inside the restaurant. Again, you never know where or when this is going to show up. Moving on to example number 8. Video footage sent in by Whitney from the Home Depot. I mean, they've got lights on display here. These are ceiling fans with light fixtures attached to the ceiling fans. They're not supposed to be malfunctioning. They're trying to get people to buy these things. But when they look up at these things and they're not working properly, it would be a bit counterproductive, right? They're not supposed to be flashing. So nobody's going to want to buy a fan that's malfunctioning. That just tells you how weird this is. Check out a computer screen here sent in by HD Torres from May 17th of 2025, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Their computer screen does not normally behave like that. And as you can clearly see, the right-hand side of the screen was malfunctioning rogue and randomly for unknown reasons. Orlando, Florida, Marilyn Kane, 5/13 of 2025. Driving down International Drive. I know exactly where that's at. I've driven down that road several times myself, but I don't recall ever seeing lights flashing like that all over the place. Lights flickering on the left-hand side of the road as she was driving through Orlando, Florida. Moving on to example number 11. Check this out. John R. out of Washington, New Jersey. Here's another example of a large parking lot with multiple lights malfunctioning. I mean, this almost looks like some sort of a movie prop, you know, like the director wanted the lights flickering for a particular scene. Because this clearly isn't normal. The lights are supposed to be on, but for some reason, something seems to be interfering with the flow of electricity. That's what I'm leaning towards. It can't be all bad bulbs all over the whole world. I think the world is trying to tell us something. These lights are malfunctioning in too many places on a daily basis all around the world. This is truly bizarre, and I'm up to almost 1,400 examples that have been sent in globally. This next video has narration by Caroline out of Beaumont, Texas. Here we go.
Hey, MrMBB333. This is Beaumont, Texas. It is Thursday, May 22nd And this is what we woke up to. I have been watching you guys for like about 2 years, and when you started doing the light phenomenon, it's just been interesting. And so when I turned that corner this morning and I saw this, I'm like, oh my goodness, it is in the house. Wow. I just wanted to share it with you. Love your content. Please keep posting. Have a great day.
Thank you, Caroline. Great observation. And there's another classic example of the rogue and randomness of this phenomena, the sweeping the earth. She walked into her kitchen this morning. The light that's never flashed like that before, all of this sudden, for unknown reasons, started to malfunction. I mean, this is truly bizarre. Check this out. I just got this video today as well, out of Peoria, Illinois, sent in by Erin Marie Kinzel from yesterday, May 22nd of 2025. Couldn't help but notice the lights on the elevator malfunctioning. Both the up and down button were flickering at the same time. She went on to say she uses this elevator every single day, and yesterday was the first time it had ever done that. Again, it is rogue and random. You never know when or where it's going to show up.